This is the COODY Inflatable Queen Air Mattress from RBM Outdoors. I just spent the last hour unboxing this, inflating it, and trying it out for myself. And let me tell you, this mattress right here is definitely going camping with me the next time I head out. Alright, we are back with another product from RBM Outdoors. This is the COODY Premium Air Mat 35 Inflatable Camping Mattress. Now on the front you'll see that it does say double down here, but this only comes in a twin, queen, and king. So why it says double, I don't know, but this is a queen mattress. And I'll even break out the measuring tape to show you guys the exact measurements of this mattress once we get it inflated. When you receive your mattress, this is the box it's going to show up in. It says the same thing on the front as it does on the back, but I can spin it around for you just so you can see that. And right now, using my link in the pinned comment below, you can get a discount on this mattress or anything you want from the RBM website. That includes tents, stoves, mattresses, any accessories you want, even the brand new pump. And you guys know I love my electric air pump. This thing saves so much time when you're inflating your tent, as opposed to using the manual pump that comes with it. You can connect this, turn it on, let it inflate while you get some other stuff done, get your vehicle unpacked. And the only time you need to do anything is when it's already 3/4 of the way inflated and you just have to walk around your tent and help the frame pop up into place. COODY electric air pump. You want it, you need it, go get it. But back to our air mattress. Let's go ahead and get this open here. Be careful if you're cutting your tape with a razor. You do not want to cut what's inside the box. And it always immediately makes me smile when I open a box with a new product from COODY or RBM Outdoors, because they always have it packed so nice, and everything comes in its own storage bag. This is a canvas storage bag. We got two handles on the top you can already see, and as I pull it out, you can see that it has the awesome COODY logo right on the front of this bag. Man, I love this stuff. Two handles. We've got a zipper that goes around 3/4 of the entire bag, right along the top here and down both sides. And then I see another zipper on the back here. This unzips and is actually a carrying pouch for anything else you might need to take with you. That would fit in there. Maybe some patches or something like that. But let's turn it back around here. I love this bag so much. I just think that's the coolest logo on there. That makes me want to go camping every time I see it. So let's go ahead and get this unzipped. I love how they make these bags so big so that you'll never have a problem getting this stuff back in. Wow, that is a soft material on there too, guys. That actually feels like bed sheets. Usually inflatable mattresses have that weird kind of like a felt top. But yeah, this feels like silk bed sheets on here. So let's go ahead and take this out. We got a little bag that popped out, instruction sheet, USB cord to charge your pump, because this mattress does come with its own built-in pump. We've got 3 little patches here and 3 extra nozzles in case you want to use a different port to blow up your mattress. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just a minute here. Put everything back in our little bag here for the moment. And let's go ahead and unfold this a little bit. And we probably need to just do this on the floor. As I unfold it here, I can see that we got the COODY logo on the front as well. Man, I can't believe how soft and silky that material is. And this is like a soft netted material on here. So I want to give you a closer look at this material before we inflate the mattress. This right here, you can see how it's kind of shiny. That's what I'm talking about, that like silky material. We got the COODY logo right there, which is totally awesome. And then the top here, give you a really close look, you can see how it's a mesh. And that is really soft there, like there's a layer of foam between it and the actual mattress. And then if we come over to this end over here, this is actually where the pump is. I'm going to pull that out. If we lift this up, you can see where there's a zipper. So if we unzip that, we can expose the actual pump right here. Yeah, you can see what the underside of this looks like. That's really soft right there. We have another white layer right here. That is soft, but not like what you'd have on your bed at home. And then we have the bladder right here. That's what actually holds the air. But if we go back to the pump here, you can see it has the COODY logo on it.
Press this button here and it opens up the door, and there is the pump itself. There's a little handle on it right here, and you can pull that out. These are the most awesome little pumps that I've ever seen that come with an air mattress or an inflatable furniture of any kind. There's actually one of these with the inflatable sofa that I just unboxed as well. Turn on the light so maybe you can see that on there. We have deflate on the left, inflate on the right, and off in the middle. And if we hit inflate, you can hear it start. The air comes out that hole right there, which actually connects on the inside over here, and that's what inflates the mattress. But another thing that's really cool about this is the bottom here. This is actually a light on the bottom, and if you push this button, it lights up. That is a really awesome feature right there. Turn off my camera light so you can see it better, and if we hit that button again, it turns off. It gets brighter as we hit it, and it even flashes. I know flashing is an issue for some people, so I'm going to go ahead and hold the button down, turn it off. But there is your little removable pump for the mattress. There's your USB-C port on the back where you plug it in to charge it, and then you just simply put it back in here, push it in, and hit the inflate button. So there is a port over here that we need to make sure is closed before we inflate it, and that port is actually where you would use these extra little connectors here if you were going to use a different pump to inflate this mattress. Inflating this mattress took approximately 3 minutes to fully inflate. Make sure you leave the door open on your pump because that's how it sucks the air in from the outside and pushes it into the mattress to inflate it. When it's about done inflating, you will hear the pump get a little bit louder. Push the button to turn it off, close the door, zip it up, and you're done. And wow, look at that thing. I get so excited about camping gear, especially stuff that makes my experience like a 5-star hotel. Now we're going to measure this mattress in just a minute. I'll tell you exactly how big it is, but I cannot wait to test this thing out. This mattress is amazing. Wow. It's firm, but at the same time it is very soft and comfortable. That is one heck of a mattress, guys. Look at this. I can roll over to the side, and I'm not going to roll off. It has just enough give to make you feel like you've sunk down into a comfortable mattress. I was able to roll back and forth, lay on one side at a time without it feeling like it was going to dump me off. Every way I laid on this thing was comfortable. On my back, on my stomach, on my side. And this mattress held me with no problems whatsoever. The way that it's built on the inside with individual air compartments allows it to evenly distribute your weight throughout the mattress instead of just letting you sink right into the middle. I love it. So again, we've got the COODY logo on this side, and if we go around to the other side, you can see there's actually a handle over here that you can pick it up very easily. That way, if you're trying to move it around, you don't have any trouble. It's very lightweight. You can move it by yourself. You do not need 2 people to help. Figure out where you want it and lay it right back down. So let's go ahead and take some measurements here. Fully inflated, this measures just under 60 inches from side to side, 79 inches head to foot, and 13 inches tall. So that definitely is a queen-size mattress. Very soft, very comfortable, very easy to set up. I would take this camping any day of the week. So my honest final thoughts on this mattress right here. I absolutely love the way that it feels. I love the silky material. I love the mesh material on the top. That will help to keep your sheets from sliding. I love the pump. Recharges very quickly, and I absolutely love that it comes with that light on it. That is just such an awesome feature in these pumps. Not to mention the pump is removable. If for some reason your pump should ever go out, you have that extra port to inflate this with a different pump. You could even use a hand pump. I love the handle on the other side that makes it so easy to move this thing around. And I absolutely love how comfortable it is. I love that it distributes your weight throughout the mattress without letting you sink in or feel like you're gonna roll off the sides. I've experienced that with a lot of inflatable mattresses, and it sucks to wake up in the middle of the night rolling off your mattress. It's not going to happen with this one. And I especially love that when you're done, you can pull the plug, let it deflate, roll it up, pack it back in the bag, and you have your very own convenient carrying case. Just like everything from RBM Outdoors and COODY.